Arms beside the body. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms in front of your chest. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, fold forward, extend your spine in every exhalation. Inhale, right leg back. Drop your right leg down, sink your hip, looking up to the ceiling. Hold your breath and left leg back to plank pose. Engage your core muscles, your thighs, abs. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar, the 8 parts of the body touching on the floor, the knee, chest, chin. Inhale, lift up to Bhujangasana. Make sure your elbows are half bent, not complete straight. Exhale, come to Parvatasana, hip up, spine extended, thighs stretch, glutes tight. Inhale, right foot in between, feel the stretch on the pelvic region. Chin up, look up. Exhale, fix the nose in between your knees and see if you can extend the spine. Inhale, arms up, arch back, and exhale, Namaskara Mudra. Arms relax beside the body. Half round is finished. Inhale, arms up, exhale, Namaskara Mudra, going for the half round more to complete one round. While exhaling the breath, bend forward. Palms try to place completely on the floor. As you inhale, left leg back to Asya Sanjalanasana. Try to sink your hip forward, looking to the ceiling. Hold your breath, right leg back to plank pose. Make sure before holding it is inhalation. Exhale, drop your knees, chest, chin. Again come to Ashtanga. Inhale to Bhujangasana. Enjoy the posture. Exhale, Parvatasana. Yoga means the union of mind, body, and breath, not just the body. Inhale, bring the left foot in between the palms. Stiram Sukham Asanam. Exhale, right foot. Try to fix the head in between. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Don't have to bend too much back. Exhale, Namaskara Mudra. And relax your arms.